Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely a great way to have some purified water right at home and save you some money, because this is a reverse osmosis countertop water machine. You don't have to hard plumb it or anything like that. It's very, very easy to use. So this was sent over by a company called AquaTru, and this is their classic smart water purifier system here. This is a 4-stage purification. So like I said, it does reverse osmosis, which is going to allow it to get rid of all those impurities that you do not want in your drinking water. Now, when you open it up, obviously it is going to come with a quick start guide, user manual, and also a Wi-Fi guide, because this thing does hook up to your phone, which is completely optional. It's a nice little feature because it will tell you basically when the life left of your 3 filters on here, and then it'll also tell you when you need to refill your reservoir, but also it's going to tell you that information right here on the front. Very, very easy. You're just going to go ahead and plug and play. The filters all live on the side of the unit, so go ahead and simply remove the little plastic case here, and you're going to notice you're going to have 3 filters. You're going to have your 1-2 filter. This is your pre-carbon filter. Obviously, it's getting large particulates. And then you're going to have your second filter, which is the number 3. That is your reverse osmosis filter. And that's what's going to be getting a lot more of those contaminants like lead and kind of radon and all that kind of stuff that you don't want in your water. And the final one is a VOC carbon filter that's going to help improve taste and everything like that. It's going to work through these. And like I said, the app's really nice because it'll tell you when it's time to change out these filters, depending on how often you're utilizing it and how kind of contaminated your local water is going to basically mean you're going to be changing these out 6 months on the quickest side, 2 years on the longest side. So like I said, it's going to depend really on, like, if you're on well water and you're pulling out a lot more calcium, that's going to fill up some of the stuff more, or if your water's not great, obviously that's going to pull out stuff. So, and then the filters aren't all going to be needed to replace at the same time. You can get them as a new pack as a group, but they'll kind of run out in various stages depending on what kind of contaminants they're pulling out of this. But it is pulling out a total of 84 plus contaminants, way better than going and just buying constant bottles of water. It'll even tell you how much bottled water you are saving by utilizing this device itself. Now, like I said, it fits easily on your countertop. It doesn't take up a lot of room. To give you an idea of the size here, it's about 14 inches wide. It's about 14 inches in depth. It is this kind of triangle shape, and then it's about 12 inches in height. You're gonna have your water pitcher here in the front. It's not really meant for pouring. It has a nice size spigot right here underneath side. It comes out a lot of water, so it can quickly fill up. So if you like the big jugs of water, what I like to do is hang it a little bit over the countertop, just press the button and a ton of water will come out and fill up your glass or your pitchers really, really quickly. Now, to give you an idea of how much this thing can hold, it has a 96 ounce capacity, so it can hold a ton of water. Then on the back side is going to be your, basically your tap water is going to go in here, and it's going to take from that water and going to go ahead and put it up. Now, you will notice because of the reverse osmosis process, it is going to go ahead and push back some water in here, because what it's doing is it's filtering out those contaminants. You do not want to keep filling this up. Once the red light comes on, the water that's left in the tank is the bad water. Go ahead and just pour that down the sink. Go ahead and fill it up again, and you're ready to go. And you'll notice it takes about a tank and a half to fill up the main pitcher itself. When you do get this first off the bat, go ahead and run several pitchers. I ran 2 to 3 of these guys to just filter out if there is anything kind of from manufacturing process in the filters, make sure everything's nice and clean and ready to go. On the back side, when you plug it in, it just plugs into a standard wall outlet. It has plenty of cable. There is a little power button to turn it on, and then when you change out the filters, there is a filter reset button also on the back side that you can go ahead and tap. Now, as far as cleaning and maintenance. Like I said, it's very, very low maintenance, but you do want to go ahead and clean the reservoir in the water tank about once a week, maybe every other week. Keep it from getting algae growing in there or anything like that. Make sure it's nice and clean when you are drinking your water. But overall, like I said, it's a really simple system. It's gonna take a very little countertop. It's gonna save you a ton of bottled water if that's what you are buying. And this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.